Welcome to Skiathos, a paradise nestled in the Aegean Sea. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through crystal clear waters, golden sandy beaches, and a vibrant island beauties. Immerse yourself in the beauty of its 60 stunning beaches, each with its own unique charm. From the lively sands of Koukounaries to the secluded shores of Lalaria, every beach is a gateway to bliss. But Skiathos is more than just its beaches. Wander through the narrow streets of Skiathos town, lined with whitewashed houses and colorful bougainvillea. Explore the lively tavernas, boutique shops, and welcoming locals that make this island so enchanting. Beyond the coastline, Skiathos reveals a world of natural wonders. Discover the island's hidden treasures as you hike through verdant forests, breathe in the scents of wildflowers, and witness panoramic views from elevated viewpoints. For the adventurous at heart, Skiathos offers a playground of thrilling water sports and boating excursions. As the sun sets over the horizon, Skiathos transforms into a magical wonderland. Experience the vibrant nightlife, indulge in delectable cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Skiathos? Join us and experience the extraordinary. Visit Skiathos, where adventure awaits, natural beauty enchants, and memories are made. Skiathos awaits you, and Vacancy is here to make your dreams come true. For more information and to plan your visit, please visit our website or contact our dedicated tourism team.